Derek, what do you think about all this progress that we've gotten so far?
Kicking butt and taking names.
That's right.
You know it.
That's right.
Hoorah.
I want to video this real quick because I missed yesterday because we were working late. Okay, this is what we've got accomplished. Well, most of this dirt was spread out this morning with a big grader that they brought in to knock some of the dirt down and give us a little bit of a grade here. Septic tank is going well. We've got most of the boards in up top here on both sides. It's closed in now up on top, just about. We've had a few injuries, none too catastrophic, but we nailed a guy to the wood up there inside yesterday, and Mike did. Going over here to the septic tank. We've got several guys. We hired like 40 workers today to do things, and son of a gun if we don't have some work being done today. This is almost finished. Incredible what a little bit of incentive will do for you. And a lot of workers. We've leveled off the grade here along the building. We're getting ready to tie our pipes in here. Hola! And we're skim coating the entire inside of the church with workers everywhere. I'm getting mud splattered on me. I don't think the mixer has shut off since we've been here. These guys are just getting it done. This is our box.
No.
Okay. Okay.
Ya está tirado un solo nivel de aquí, este es otro.
Okay. Está bien.
Bien. Okay. Bien.
Luis, gracias por todo.
Gracias. Por todo. Lápiz.
I don't remember.
¿El nombre?
Elías.
Elías, gracias por todo, los ayudar.
Elías oró y fuego cayó.
Elías.
Good worker, hard worker.
Got a skim coat going all around the walls. The stage is done. These walls are done. And we're just getting her done. And Scott, we're just all in his way, and he's getting it done too. Scott and Jared are knocking it out with the electric. Derek, we need to pull that line like ASAP, and we need to work on, these are our two priorities now because they're up. They've got the block walls on the septic all the way up almost. We're here to our pump. I think I might have shown this on the other day, but anyway, it's kind of cool how you do these valve boxes and so forth. They build them out of concrete. Awesome. More awesomeness. And again, all the kids are playing. Some of the kids are going to the pool. They're out there with the kids playing on the porch. And others are doing different jobs throughout the work site. So anyway, it's kind of motivating to see how much we've been able to get done. And we've got 12 hours we're going to work today. I think I wasted, well, I haven't wasted, it was necessary, but an hour and a half at the hardware store this morning. We spent a lot of time at the hardware store buying parts, this, that, and the other, but there's going to be a drain field on the other side of that septic tank, so we had to get the parts for that. And we're going to work until about 7:30 tonight. So anyway, that's it for now.